Let's delve into the world of heavy-duty machining with the introduction of the high-performance lathe Model 1 K665 F3X7000, a machine designed for tackling large and demanding workpieces. This isn't your average lathe. We're talking about a robust, precision-engineered machine equipped with a sophisticated CNC system, capable of handling lengthy and complex turning operations. The 7000 in its designation immediately tells us this machine is built for significant longitudinal travel, making it ideal for long shafts, large rollers, and other extended workpieces. At the heart of this machine's capabilities is its powerful spindle and rigid construction. The 1K665F3X7000 is designed to minimize vibration and maintain accuracy even under heavy cutting loads. This is achieved through a robust bed design, a powerful drive system, and high-quality bearings. The powerful spindle allows for efficient material removal, enabling the machine to handle tough materials with ease. This combination of power and rigidity is crucial for achieving the tight tolerances and surface finishes required in demanding applications. The integration of a modern CNC system is what truly sets this lathe apart. This system allows for precise control of the machine's movements, enabling the production of complex shapes and profiles. The CNC system allows for the programming of intricate tool paths, enabling the machine to perform a variety of operations, including turning, facing, threading, and contouring. The system also allows for the storage and retrieval of programs, making it easy to repeat complex operations. Modern CNC systems often include features like tool wear compensation, adaptive control, and simulation capabilities, which further enhance the machine's performance and efficiency. The operation of the 1K665F3X7000 involves a series of steps. First, the workpiece is securely mounted in the chuck, or between centers. The CNC program is then loaded into the control system, and the cutting tools are positioned. The machine then executes the program, precisely moving the cutting tools along the program toolpaths. Sensors and feedback systems continuously monitor the machine's performance, ensuring accuracy and stability. Modern CNC systems also allow for real-time adjustments to the cutting parameters, enabling operators to optimize the machining process. The combination of its robust build, powerful spindle, and advanced CNC system makes the 1K665F3X7000 a high-performance lathe capable of meeting the demands of modern manufacturing. Inconel A286 is a high-performance nickel-iron-chromium alloy renowned for its excellent strength, corrosion resistance, and heat resistance properties. Machining this alloy requires specialized techniques and tooling due to its work-hardening tendencies and high strength. Here's a detailed guide on how to effectively bore, turn, and face Inconel A286. Carbide inserts with a PVD coating are commonly used for machining Inconel A286. These coatings provide excellent wear resistance and heat dissipation. Positive rake angles and sharp cutting edges are preferred to reduce cutting forces and heat generation. A high-pressure, high-volume coolant is essential to evacuate chips and dissipate heat. Emulsion coolants or synthetic fluids are commonly used. A lower cutting speed is recommended to reduce heat generation and tool wear. A lower feed rate is also recommended to minimize cutting forces and improve surface finish. Shallow depths of cut are preferred to reduce tool wear and improve surface finish. A strong chip breaker is crucial to control chip formation and prevent chip welding. Use carbide turning inserts with a positive rake angle and a strong chip breaker. Use low cutting speeds and feed rates. Apply a high-pressure, high-volume coolant to evacuate chips and dissipate heat. Use rigid tooling in stable machine setups to minimize vibration and improve surface finish. By following these guidelines, you can effectively machine Inconel A286 and achieve the desired quality and efficiency. Remember to consult the specific recommendations of your machine tool manufacturer and cutting tool supplier for the most accurate and up-to-date information. The CK8450 CNC roll-turning lathe from New Will Machines is a robust and highly capable machine designed for the demanding task of roll-turning, a critical process in industries like steel, paper, and printing. The CK8450 is designed for heavy-duty roll-turning and incorporates several key features. The CK8450 is equipped with a state-of-the-art CNC control system, typically from a well-known manufacturer like Fanuc, Siemens, or Fagor. This allows for precise control over all machine axes, enabling complex contouring and profiling of rolls. An automatic tool changer is often included to automate tool changes, reducing setup time and increasing productivity. The ATC can hold a variety of tools, allowing for different machining operations to be performed in a single setup. The machine boasts a heavy cast iron bed and frame, providing exceptional rigidity and stability. This is crucial for minimizing vibrations and ensuring high accuracy during heavy cutting operations. The spindle is driven by a high-torque motor, providing ample power for machining large and heavy rolls. The spindle bearings are designed for high loads and speeds, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. How the CK8450 works. The roll is loaded onto the lathe between the spindle and the tailstock. A CNC program is created based on the desired roll profile. The CNC control system directs the movement of the carriage and cross slide, guiding the cutting tool along the roll surface. Typical machining operations include rough turning, finish turning, profiling, and coolant system. During and after machining, the roll is carefully measured and inspected to ensure it meets the required specifications. In conclusion, the New Will Machines CK8450 CNC roll-turning lathe is a powerful and versatile machine designed for the demanding task of roll-turning. Its robust construction, powerful drive system, and advanced CNC control system make it a valuable asset for any industry that requires precise and efficient roll machining. The Niles Simmons N20CM is one of the leading advanced equipment, specialized in machining complex parts such as crankshafts. Designed to perform both turning and milling on the same machine, the N20CM is especially suitable for manufacturing applications that require high precision, fast speed, and the ability to machine multiple surfaces on a single workpiece. In the automotive industry, this machine is used to completely machine two-cylinder crankshafts, ensuring high quality and reliability. The Niles Simmons N20CM consists of the following components. 1. Machine frame. Made of cast iron with a monolithic design, helping to increase rigidity and reduce vibration during machining. The structure is optimized to withstand high loads and maintain long-term accuracy. 2. Main shaft. Capable of turning and milling with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 micrometers. High power. Maximum rotation speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, suitable for machining parts such as crankshafts. 3. Rotary milling table system. Integrated 5-axis rotary table, allowing complex machining on many different planes and angles. Angle positioning accuracy reaches plus or minus 0.001 degrees, helping to create parts requiring strict technical requirements. 4. Dynamic tailstock. Supports the workpiece during the machining process, ensuring stability and reducing vibration. Provides precise clamping force, helping to hold the crankshaft firmly without deforming. 5. Tool holder. Supports automatic tool change with 12 to 16 position tool holder, helping to shorten tool change time and increase production efficiency. Integrates modern turning tools, milling tools, and drilling tools. 6. Siemens numeric CNC control system. Supports complex machining programming with a user-friendly interface. 3D simulation function allows for pre-processing inspection, minimizing errors. 7. Cooling and lubrication system. Oil and coolant injection system precisely at the cutting point, increasing tool life and maintaining stable temperature. 8. Chip conveyor. Automatically removes metal chips from the machining area, keeping the work area clean and improving efficiency. Niles Simmons N20CM is capable of performing turning, milling, drilling, and grooving operations without transferring the workpiece between different machines. This minimizes errors due to realignment and increases the overall accuracy of the part. How to complete machining of a 2-cylinder crankshaft on the N20CM. The workpiece is fixed on the main shaft and the tailstock to ensure stability. The CNC control system inputs the parameters and machining program of the crankshaft. Turn the outer surface of the crankshaft to achieve the required diameter and length. Cut ring grooves or other simple turning details on the shaft body. Use the 5-axis milling function to machine the crank neck and crank pin with high precision. Synchronized movement of the X, Y, Z axes and the rotary table ensures precise cutting angles. Drill and create oil holes connecting the crank neck and crank pin. The cooling system helps keep the bore clean and reduce the temperature during machining. Use milling cutters and grinding cutters to finish the crankshaft surface, achieving the required gloss and accuracy. Crankshaft parts are inspected with advanced measuring equipment, such as CMM, coordinate measuring machine. Heat treatment and surface coating are required to increase durability and wear resistance. Niles Simmons N20CM is the ideal choice for manufacturing businesses that require high precision and efficiency in machining complex parts such as crankshafts.